Reminder, I suggested earlier that you create a separate class for each section that you have so that it will be easier for you to evaluate the activities of your students. Let's say Dr. Carey is handling 3 sections in purposive communication. This means that Dr. Carey needs to create 3 classes. To simply do this, here are the steps. First, click the Create or Join a Class gear on the upper right side of the page. It is signified by the plus symbol. Click the Create Class option. Tick the checkbox to agree with the conditions, then click Continue. Fill up the correct information about your class. For class name, I will put GE 104 Purposive Communication. Under section, I'll put in 19 BSE 1P. Subject, I'll just copy paste Purposive Communication from class name. Paste it. And under room, I'll put room 4. When finished, click the Create button. Wait for a bit. And you have done it. You just created your first class. Since we need to create 2 more classes, simply go to the Options gear and click Classes. And just close this window. This is the Options gear. Go to Classes. You will be redirected to the Google Class homepage where you created classes. So let's try to create a new class once more. So again, we click the Create or Join Classes, Create Class, click Continue, and then you fill up again the form, GE104. Oops. Purposive Communication. Under section 19 BSE 2P. Subject, I'll just copy it again. Copy, paste. And this time, it's under room 5. Then simply click Create. So there it is. So we go back to our Options gear and go to Classes. As you can see, there are now 2 classes created. By the way, you can also customize your classroom themes to make it more personalized. Let's say, for example, I will select the second one that I did. And then I will go to the class title. This is your class title. Okay. Let's select theme option. And then you can see all the different categories of the themes that you can use for your class. So for this case, I'll go to English and History. I'll select one. Let's say this one. And then simply click the Select Class Theme button when you're finished. So it's done. Go back to the Options gear. Go to Classes. As you can see, we already have 2 different themes for each classes that we did.